Pleasant good morning to everyone. Once again, welcome to our English class. This class is a continuation of previous class, degrees of comparison. In the last class, we saw about the first two models. First model, when you are comparing topmost or the least, you have to select type 1 model. For example, my friend is the richest man in the town. That means he is only the person who is in the topmost position in richness. My friend is the richest man in the town. That is a superlative degree. When you come to comparative degree, my friend is richer than any other man in the town. My friend is richer than any other man in the town. That is important. Richer than any other man, because no one is richer than him. That is a meaning. Then when you come to positive degree, if we ask a question, is there anybody richer than him? So your answer will be no. No other man in the town is so rich as my friend. No other man in the town is so rich as my friend. That is a model one. That means if you are selecting the topmost or the least, you have to select model type. You have to select type 1. When you come to type 2, here type 2, first example. Look at the first example. There are many poets. There are many poets in India. We are not selecting the topmost or the least one, but we are selecting anyone except the topmost or the least. So from the group. So here it is said about Tagore, poet Tagore. Tagore is one of the greatest Indian poets in India. Tagore is one of the greatest Indian poets. That is important. One of the greatest Indian poets, not poet, poets. Tagore is one of the greatest Indian poets in India. That is a superlative degree. Then when you come to comparative degree, Tagore is greater than many other or most other. Many other or most other. You should not use any other. If you any other comes in type 1. Here instead of any other, you have to use most other or many other. Tagore is greater than many other Indian poets. When that is comparative degree. When you come to positive degree, since we are selecting anyone from the group, we have to use very few. Instead of no other, we have to use very few. Very few Indian poets in India are as good as Tagore. Many few Indian poets in India are as good as Tagore. Now come to the choose the best. Let us see choose the best. Supriya is the dash girl. The is there. So it is superlative degree. You have to select the superlative degree. Supriya is the most intelligent girl in the class. Then Martin speak English well. Then Nile is the is there. When you find the, you can finalize it as superlative degree. Nile is the longest river in the world. Nile is the longest river in the world. Then come to the next one. India is a big country. India is a big country. Then come to next one. China is there. So comparative. Bigger than is there. So comparative. China is bigger than India. China is bigger than India. Next one. This is there. So superlative degree. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. Then come to the next one. Come to the ninth one. than is there. So smart, smarter, smartest. Smart, smarter, smarter. You have to use smarter. I am smarter than you. I am smarter than you. Next one. Take the. Take the shortest of the. There is the compare. Take the shortest of the two roads. Then come to next one. Complete the following sentences using the correct degrees of comparison given in the bracket. My brother's handwriting is worse than mine. My brother's handwriting is worse than mine. Next one. Um, health is more important than wealth. Health is more important than wealth. Then blood is thicker than water. Then Everest is the highest peak in the world. Peak in the world. Here peak, it is only singular, so it use the highest. Peaks means one of the highest. Peak means highest, the highest. Next one. This is the most interesting play I have ever heard on the radio. This is the most interesting play I have ever heard on the radio. Next one. Susila is more beautiful of all the four sisters. Sushila is more beautiful of all the four sisters. Next one. The planet Mars. Planet Mars is farther, farther from the Earth than the satellite Moon. Next one. Elephant is the largest animal in the world. Elephant is the largest animal in the world. Next one. An ocean is certainly bigger than. An ocean is certainly bigger than a sea. Then come to the next type of examples here. Do it yourself. Look at that one. Air journey do it yourself. Look at that one. Air journey is costlier than train journey. Air journey is costlier than train journey. Next one. Crow is the most cunning bird. The crow is the most cunning bird. Next one. No other comes means you have to use so dashes. No other boy is so smart as Babu. No other boy is so smart as Babu. Next one. He works harder than her. He works harder than her. Next one. Very few fruits. That is type 2. Type 2 positive. Very few means as dashes. Very few fruits are as nutritious as. Very few fruits are as nutritious as apple. Next one. Cycle is the cheapest vehicle. Cycle is the cheapest vehicle. Then come to the next one. Kannadas was more efficient than most other Tamil poets. Kannadas was more efficient than most other Tamil poets. Next one. The fox is the cunniest animal. Sorry, the fox is the more cleverest animal. The fox is the most cleverest. Is the most cleverest animal. The fox is the most cleverest animal. Next one. Brazil is the biggest country in South America. Brazil is the biggest country. Here only country is used, so you have to use the biggest superlative. The biggest country in South America. Next one. Next. Cream cake is more expensive than the plain cake. Cream cake is more expensive than the plain cake. Next one. The no other continent, no other, that is type 1 this positive degree. No other continent is so dashes will come. No other continent is so smart as town life. Next one. Sorry. No other continent is so small as Australia. No other continent is so small as Australia. Next one. Village life is happier than town life. Village life is happier than town life. Next one. Suitcase is not so safe than bureau. Suitcase is not so safe than bureau. Next one. The botanical garden is the most beautiful sight in UT because botanical garden is dash site is there. Sites means one of the will come. Here only site is there, so you have to use a superlative. The most beautiful site in Ooty. Next one. The camel is dash most other animals. The camel is taller than most other animals. Next one. No other boy in the class is dash as dash Krishna is there. No other comes means you have to use so dashes. Here only as dashes is given there, you have to change that one. No other no other boy in the class is so naughty as Krishna. Next one. Kala is dash girls in the class. Girls means you have to use one of the adjective. Kala is one of the richest girls in the class. In the after the dash, if a plural is there, you have to use one of the richest. Next one. Very few reformers were very few. Comes means you have to use as dashes. Very few reformers were as famous as EVR in Tamil Nadu. Very few reformers were as famous as EVR in Tamil Nadu. Next one. The is shorter than Godavari. The Kaveri is shorter than Godavari. Next one. No other Mughal king. No other Mughal king was. No other comes means so dashes. No other Mughal king was so powerful as Akbar. No other Mughal king was so powerful as Akbar. Next one. My knife is sharper than her knife. My knife is sharper than her knife. Next one. My knife is sharper than her knife. Next one. Jabamala is not slimmer than Lavanya. Jabamala is not slimmer than Lavanya. Next one. Diesel is not costly than petrol. Diesel is not costly than petrol. Next one. Muralidharan is one of the spin bowlers in the world. Here, spin bowlers, it is plural is there, so you have to use one. You have to use a superlative. The best. Muralidharan is one of the best spin bowlers in the world. Next one. Joel. Joel is more sincere than any other boy in the class. Here, any other boy is there. So you have to use comparative degree. More sincere than any other boy in the class. Next one. Ravi is more capable than most other boys. Ravi is capable than most other boys. Here boys is there, so you have to use the most other. Next one. The cream cake is as expensive as the plain cake. Cream cake is as expensive as a plain cake. Next one. Very few cities in India. Very few. You have to use as dashes. Very few cities in India are as dashes Mumbai, as popular as Mumbai. Next one. Boiled water is better than cold water. Boiled water is better than cold water. Boiled water is better than cold water. Next one. The man is taller than the boy. The man is taller than the boy. Next one. No other batsman is. No other comes means so dashes. No other batsman is so good as Sachin. Next one. K2 is dash peak in India, the highest peak in India. K2 is the highest peak in India. Next one. Relatives are not more helpful than neighbors. Next one. Ashoka was kinder than any other. Here any other is there, so you have to use a comparative. Ashoka was Comparative means you have to use than. Kinder than any other kings in Maurya dynasty. Next one. Cobra is one of the superlative degree. One of the most poisonous snakes. One of the most poisonous snakes. Next one. My sister does not cook much tastier than my mother. Tastier than my mother. Next one. No other soil. So dashes. No other soil is so significant as alluvial soil. No other soil is so significant as alluvial soil for cultivation of paddy. Next one. No other districts in Tamil Nadu. No other so dashes. No other districts in Tamil Nadu is so fertile as Tanjavur. Next one. The sun is brighter than any other planet. Than any other is there. So you have to use comparative. Brighter than any other planet. Next one. This mango is this mango is as sweet as that mango. This mango is as sweet as that mango. Next one. No other subjects is no other comes means so dashes. No other subject is so tough as logic. Next one. Taj Mahal is dash buildings in India. Dash buildings. Plural is there. So you have to use one of the. You have to use the second type of superlative. One of the most wonderful. One of the most wonderful. Next one. The lion is dash any other animal. Comparative. More furious than any other animal. Next one. Eye is one of dash organs. Superlative. That is superlative. Eye is one of the most important organs in our body. Next one. Town life. Town life is more expensive than village life. Town life is more expensive than village life. Next one. Darjeeling is cooler than most other summer resorts in India. Darjeeling is cooler than most other summer resorts in India. Next one. Platinum is the costliest metal. Platinum is the costliest metal. Next one. Drinking alcohol is more injurious than smoking. Drinking alcohol is more injurious than smoking. Next one. Iron is dash any other metal. Any other means you have to use a superlative. More useful than any other metals. More useful than many other metals. Next one. Teaching profession is the noblest profession. Teaching profession is the noblest profession. So I hope you have understood the examples which I read now. I hope you might have gone through the first two types of degrees of comparison which I taught you in the next class and the previous class. If you did not go through the video, please go through the video 1 or 2 times and then follow this video. Only then you can understand clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.